posted another video too. I had to change the alternator. I told somebody, an agent specifically, literally supposed to be law enforcement, stole my phone, so I can't post the spark plugs when I changed those. Got that on my other phone. But you know, back with the Hue Nation, JR Mobile, promoting mechanically inclined Hue people, colored people, indigenous people, Autochthon people, you know? Taking the 2 bolts out, they 10 millis. Got the 2 bolts out. It's a slip tab right here. Slip up and allow the light to come forward. There you go. And such as so, it did. Now you have to watch out because you got cables right here. I'm gonna have to unpinch these cables to get it loose. You're gonna have to push in. You have to squeeze it, push in, and then take it out. Boom. Now that assembly is loose. Then foreign car things be something different. Boom. Now you can take that off. You're gonna take this off. This is the thing. It kind of broke, y'all. But it's supposed to slide in there in place like that. Hold the headlight in place for the Range Rovers, the Land Rover. We're just gonna take this off without breaking it. Boom. Then we can get to this piece by lifting these tabs. You lift these tabs, it's gonna allow you to get to the light. And I have a new light in the car. Let's keep that piece right there. Let's get this light.